Welcome back to our channel Respect Education. Now let us do next bit, that is second bit. The given points are -5, 7 and -1, 3. So here let us take these points as A and B. So here let A be -5, 7 and B be -1, 3. Now already we know the distance between Ax1 y1 and Bx2 y2 is AB equal to under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is the suitable formula for this problem. By using that formula we are going to solve it. So here let us label it as x1 comma y1, b is x2 comma y2, right? Now let us define the distance, that is AB. AB is equal to under root, see, x2 minus x1 whole square. x2 is -1 minus x1 is -5. This minus into this minus becomes plus whole square. Here I repeat, x2 minus x1. x2 is already -1, so x2, in fact here minus should come, but x1 already it has minus. So in the formula this minus, in the formula minus, and in the number it has minus. This minus and this minus becomes plus. Minus into minus becomes plus. So here we can write +5 directly. Is it clear? Same way, plus y2. y2 is 3 minus y1. y1 is 7. y2 minus y1 whole square. Now let us simplify. -1 plus 5 can be read as 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1 is 4. So it is 4 square plus 3 minus 7 is -4. So it is -4 square under root. So as I have told you already, 4 square, let us write 4 square as it is. -4 square, nothing but +4 square. So here 4 square plus 4 square is 2 times 4 square. 2 times 4 square. Right? Now let us split the root. Root 2 into root 4 square. Square root get cancelled. Now it becomes 4. So it is root 2 into 4. Root 2 into 4, nothing but 4 comes first. 4 root 2. 4 root 2. So finally here, therefore AB, the distance between AB is 4 root 2 units. This is the answer for the second bit. Now let us do next bit, that is third bit. The given points are -2, -3 and 3, 2. So here let us consider those points as A and B. So here first one A, -2, -3, and the second one is B, that is 3, 2. Now let us write here suitable formula. The distance between Ax1 y1 and Bx2 y2 is AB is equal to under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Based on this formula we solve this problem, right? Here you can label them as this as x1, this as y1, this is x2 and then y2. Now here AB is equal to under root x2 means 3 minus x1. Already here you see it has minus, so this minus into this minus becomes plus, so 2. 3 plus 2 whole square plus y2 is 2 minus y1 already it has minus, so minus into minus becomes plus 2 plus 3 whole square. Clear? Now this can be written as 3 plus 2 is 5, so it is 5 square. This is 5 square plus 2 plus 3 is also 5, so it is 5 square. So it can be written as 5 square plus 5 square is 2 times, means 2 into 5 square. It is in the form of root a into b, can be split as root a into root b. So here we can write as root 2 into root 5 square. Square and root get cancelled. So here you will get 5. That means root 2 into 5. Let us write 5 first. So it is 5 root 2. Right? Therefore, the distance between the given points a, b is 5 root 2 units is the final answer for the third bit. Now let us see next bit, that is fourth bit. The given points are a comma b and minus a comma minus b. So here let us consider the given points as capital A and capital B. So here we can take capital A as a comma b and capital B as minus a comma minus b. So let us write here the suitable formula. The distance between a x1 y1 and b x2 y2 is AB is equal to under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So based on this formula we are going to solve this bit. Now here let us label it as x1 then y1, this as x2 and y2. Now here the distance AB is equal to under root x2. Here you see x2 is minus a minus x1 is a minus a whole square plus y2 is minus b minus y1 is again b, so minus b whole square. Let us simplify this. It can be written as minus a is minus 2a whole square plus minus b is minus 2b whole square. Right? Now minus 2a whole square or plus 2a whole square both are same, or you can write minus square becomes plus, so it is 2a whole square. Is it clear? If not, minus 2 whole square is 4, so I am writing this as 4 times, or here let us write this as plus 2a whole square plus minus 2b whole square, nothing but plus 2b whole square. So here now it is 4 times a square plus 4 times b square, because here this is 2 square into a square, 2 square is 4. So 4 times a square into 4 times b square. Now here we can take 4 as common, 4 times a square plus b square. Now here this is product of two values under root, so it can be splitted as root 4 into root a square plus b square. Here root 4 value is nothing but 2, so 2 root a square plus b square. It is 2 root a square plus b square. So finally here the distance between the points AB is equal to 2 root a square plus b square units. This is the final answer for this bit, fourth bit. Now we see question number 2. that is find the distance between the points 0, 0 and 36, 15. Here let us consider the first point as A. This is A 0, 0, and the second one as B, that is 36, 15. As we know the formula here, the distance between the points, those are A, x1, y1 and B, x2, y2 is AB equal to under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So let us use this formula for solving this problem. So here 0, 0 becomes x1, y1, 36 becomes x2 and 15 becomes y2. So let us substitute here. This is AB is equal to under root. See, x2 minus x1 means 36 minus 0. 36 minus 0 whole square plus y2 is 15. 15 minus 0. 15 minus 0 whole square. So here 36 minus 0 is 36. So it is 36 square plus 15 minus 0 is 15 square. So let us simplify these values here. 36 square, nothing but 36 into 36. Let us multiply. 6 6 are 36, 6 3 is left, 6 3 are 18, 18 plus 3 21. 3 6 are 18, 1 is left, 3 3 are 9 plus 1 10. So it is 6 9 2 1. So it is 1296. 36 square is 1296. 15 square is 15 into 15. 15 15 is 225. So let us write 15 square as 225. Right? When we add them, 5 plus 6 is 11, here 1, this is 10, 10 plus 2 is 12, here 1, this is 5, 1521. So we need to find the square root of 1521. Let us find square root of 1521 here by using long division method, or you can follow prime factorization method, whatever you want you can do. So here on these last two numbers I keep the bar. So here the remaining number is 15. 3 3s are 9. Next number is 4 4s are 16. 16 is bigger than 15. So we should not take 4 4s are. Right? If we take 4 4s are 16, then 16 is bigger than 15. That's why 16 should not be taken. That means 4 into 4 should not be taken. So let us take 3 into 3. Here 3 3s are 9. On subtracting, 15 minus 9 is 6. So let us drop this 21 as it is. This is 621. Now add this 3 to this 3. So let us add 3 and 3. 3 plus 3 becomes 6. Let us maintain small gap. Here we will add 6. Now here this is the ending step of this problem, means if we solve this problem will be completed. In this ending number you see last digit is 1. The possibilities for 1 are 1 into 1 is 1 or 9 into 9 is 81. They are also ending 1. So here two chances, it may be 1 or 9. So if I write here 1, here this 1, if I write here, this 1 becomes 61 here. Try to understand. Here if I write here 1, that is 1 only, but here I should write the same one here. That becomes 61. 1 into 61 is 61, but not 621. So I told you we have two chances, either 1 or 9. So if I write here 1, this becomes 61. 1 into 61 is 61. As this is not 61, 1 is not suitable. Now next option is 9. So let us write here 9, here 9. Let us multiply and check. 9 9s are 81, 1. 8 is left. 9 6s are 54 plus 8 is 62. So 621 we are getting. So we can take perfectly 9. So here 9 into 69 is 621. So on subtraction writing 0. So the square root is, this number is the square root of 1521. That means 39. 39 is the square root of 1521. So here square root of 1521 is 39, right? So let us write this value here. We need square root of 1521, so that is nothing but 39. So finally the distance between A and B, is 39 units. It has another method, alternate method. Now we are going to see another method also to check whether we get the 39 same answer or not. Let us see alternate method for the same problem. So solving the same problem in alternate method means another method. Here in these 2 points, this point is 0, 0, that is nothing but origin. So it can be represented by O. It is O 0, 0. Earlier we have taken as A, so here you can take it as O because it is 0, 0. And in this case, let us take this point as A, 36, 15. That means now we are going to find the distance between O and A, means origin to a point. So here the formula you see, the distance between O 0, 0 and A x1, y1 is OA equal to, directly we can write the formula, x1 minus 0 whole square. X1 minus 0 means x1. So we can write it is x1 square plus y1 minus 0 whole square means y1 square. So we can apply the short formula for solving especially these kind of problems in which origin is given. So let us write here directly OA. OA is equal to under root. You can take this as O 0, 0. You don't need to take anything. Here you can take this as x1, y1. So here directly you can write x1 square means 36 square plus y1 square. Y1 square is 15 square. Right? As usual, here let us do 36 square means 36 into 36. Earlier we have done the same way. 6 6 are 36, 3 is left, 6 3 are 18 plus 3, 21. 3 6 are 18, 1 3 3 are, it is done. It is 1296. 36 square is 1296 plus 15 square already we know that is 225. On adding we get 1521. 1521. If you find its square root by earlier method or however method, whatever method is possible for you, you can find the square root by using that method, either prime factorization method or long division method. So here square root of 1521, this is nothing but, so here I will tell you, earlier we have seen this square root as 39 by using long division method. Now I will tell you the same problem by using prime factorization method. 1521, finding square root of 1521 by using prime factorization method. So let us divide this one with 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 5 is 8, 8 plus 1 is 9. So this number can be divisible by 3. 3 5s are 15. Do not write 3 7s are 21 directly. Here you see 51 means this is cut. This link is completely cut. There is no carry forward. So next 2 comes. 2 is smaller than 3. So let us write here 0, then 21 comes. So 3 7s are 21. Again 7 plus 5 is 12. 12 plus 0 is 12. Again this can be divisible by 3. So let us take one more 3. So here 3 16s are 48, 27. So 3 9s are 169. Directly you can write, children, this is 13 into 13. So 1521 can be written as 3 into 3 into 13 into 13. Right? When you take square root, two numbers can be taken as one number. So 3 into 3 can be taken as 3, because 3 3s are 9. Square root of 9 is 3 in that way. If not, 3 into 3, 3 square. Under root 3 square, square root get cancelled. Here we get 3. In any way you can follow it, no problem. Into 13 into 13 square root is 13. 3 13s are 39. See here also you got the same value. Square root of 1521 is 39. So let us come back to here. Square root of 1521 is 39. Therefore, the distance between the given points, that is OA, is equal to 39 units. So even by alternate way also we got the same answer.